Hey, to input memory card into your Redmi Pad 2, then first of all you will have to just grab it, rotate on the left side and simply apply SIM tool over here, like so. Now you can remove, grab it with your fingernails, or you can also try to put your finger over here, then try to pull it towards you. And as you can see over here, we've got the memory card slot, so we have to rotate this like so, and there's the correct way to input memory card. Take a look. Just like this. And right now, if you want to put it back, make sure that you put it face to screen. So we have to rotate our device like so and apply it just over here. Now we can press, and as you can see, it is finished.